Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.